In this quick video, you will learn how to properly remove your Glock slide as well as identify a subtle problem that may be causing you issues. So a common problem with people who are newer to Glocks is that they're not quite able to figure out the takedown lever, and it's actually pretty simple. So all you need to do is first make sure that your Glock is clear and your trigger is compressed. Then hold it with the slide slightly out of battery just like this, and that's because it needs to release the tension on the takedown lever. Hold down on both sides of the takedown lever just like this, and then go ahead and push forward with your thumb, and the slide should just pop right off just like that. Now sometimes it can mess up and the trigger will engage as you're working it. Just go ahead and pull it and it'll pop right off. Now a subtle factor that can contribute you to having issues is going to be having long fingernails. And I personally have issues taking off my slide whenever my fingernails start to get long. And now, of course, you know that the simplest way to solve this issue is to just cut your fingernails with a pair of tactical fingernail clippers. I sat down with both of my Glocks as I was conceptualizing this video, and as you know, I was having issues because of my nails. And now that they're clipped, easy peasy. Another thing that could be problematic is if you're somebody who might have sweaty hands. Just wipe them off real quick and you should be good to go. So if you're just getting started with your training, head on over to rangerulers.com to download your free range day checklist, link in the description below. Thanks for watching this Range Rulerz video. My name is Parker and I'll see you guys in the next one.